Students, in our ninth class chemistry lecture today, we will discuss about the sublimation, its examples, the activity, and the application of the sublimation. First of all, we will discuss what is sublimation. When the solid is directly converted into the gaseous state without forming the liquid. So solid is directly converted into gaseous state without forming the liquid upon heating. In this process, liquid is not formed, solid is directly converted into the gaseous state upon heating. So we call it sublimation. The examples of sublimation, they are naphthalene balls. Naphthalene balls, you commonly say phenyl diyan goliyan. These are called naphthalene balls. These are kept in the summer season in the cloths to protect your warm clothes from any type of organism. In the naphthalene balls, thus they are in the solid form. With the heat, the solid is directly converted into the vapors. So your clothes, they get protected from any type of organism. Then iodine, it is also an example of sublimation. Ammonium chloride, it is also an example of sublimation. Camphor, mushkapur, it is also an example of sublimation. Now there is an activity to understand the process of sublimation. So first of all, in a china dish, take naphthalene sample. So naphthalene sample is taken in the china dish. Below the china dish there is a wire gauze, and below the wire gauze there is a burner for heating it. Here upon the china dish there is a perforated sheet, means holes they are present in the sheet. It is kept on the china dish, and upon this sheet inverted funnel is kept. So here on the top of the inverted funnel, cotton is inserted in the funnel. What is the function of this cotton plug? It prevents the vapors to go outside the funnel. When we start heating the naphthalene sample, what you observe? The solid is directly converted into the vapors, and the vapors, instead of going outside, they stick on the walls of the inverted funnel. So here you can see the naphthalene vapors, they get stick, and upon cooling they get converted into solid form. So we can scrap it. So through this activity, here you see that the solid upon heating is directly converted into the vapors. So this is the activity of the sublimation. Now the application of the sublimation. If you are given an impure sample of naphthalene in which a non-volatile means vapors of the substance, they are not formed, that is called non-volatile impurity of sodium chloride is present in a sample of naphthalene. So it can be purified with the process of sublimation. When you start heating the impure sample of naphthalene and sodium chloride, what you observe? Naphthalene will sublimate and can be removed from the funnel in solid form. What will be left behind in the china dish? the sodium chloride will be left behind in the china dish. So this is the application of the sublimation. Thank you.